Okay, thank you for joining us today for our Wednesday webinar where we will introduce you to Panopto, which is our new solution, our video management solution here at Idaho State University. And just to go over a little bit of what we're going to talk about today, we're going to discuss what Panopto is and then why using it makes your life easier. And then we'll go over briefly how to use Panopto and give you a brief overview of how it integrates into Moodle. So I'm going to turn it over to Lori, and she is going to go through some of this for us. But before I do, let me introduce the rest of the folks that are with us today. I have Paul Lynch with me, Rick Fowler, Lori Austell, Kathy Levitt, Lance Rowe, Michael Spall, Ryan Randall, and Mark Cooper. So you have a full team to help answer questions.
All right. Advance the slide here. Panopto is a versatile platform that allows you to record, share, and stream ADA compliant video content for educational purposes. It integrates as an LTI into Moodle, which I'm going to demonstrate in a few minutes. And when we go to Canvas, it will also be integrated into Canvas. So it's a secure portal where you can publish your videos and easily share them in your courses. So what Panopto is not, it is not a data storage solution for people to upload everything from their G drive. That's not the purpose of this. It is not long time storage of videos. Videos that have not been watched over a certain amount of time will be archived and then they will be eventually deleted. So if you have a lot of recorded classroom lectures that you want to keep, you'll want to put those on some kind of external storage drive so that you'll have access to those whenever you need them. And it is not for videos that have sensitive information because it is not HIPAA rated. It applies with FERPA, but not HIPAA. So for anything that it needs to adhere to HIPAA, we recommend Box for those. So why would we want to use Panopto? We're going to take a look at some of the features of Panopto through their introduction video. Paul's going to start that in a second.
Panopto is a video platform
Much better, thank you.
that helps your team communicate, present, and learn more effectively. With Panopto, you get a secure portal where you can publish your videos and easily share them across your organization. One of Panopto's unique features is the ability to search inside your videos. For every video you upload, Panopto indexes the presenter's speech and any text that appears on screen. As a result, your employees can find and fast forward to any words spoken or shown in any video. It makes video perfect for just-in-time learning, and it means you never have to worry about tagging your content. Panopto also supports interactive video quizzing. This enables instructors to create quizzes, embed them directly inside videos, and test comprehension, all without the need to use separate e-learning authoring tools. Uploading existing videos and creating new ones with Panopto is incredibly easy. For your existing video files, simply drag and drop them into your video portal. Panopto will convert the videos for optimal playback on any device. For creating new videos, online presentations, and events, Panopto includes an integrated live streaming and recording tool that's easy enough for anyone to use. Simply launch the app, click record, and Panopto will capture your video, the content of your screen, and any additional video sources that you choose. Live streaming is easy too. Just click the webcast checkbox when you set up your recording, and in minutes you can be broadcasting live over the web to coworkers, partners, and customers. When you're finished, Panopto automatically uploads the video to your portal, and in a few minutes you get a professional-looking presentation just like this. Panopto syncs your video and on-screen content, generates a table of contents with thumbnails, and indexes your video for search. If you want to make changes to your video, Panopto includes an easy-to-use editor that runs in any web browser. Here, you can trim out parts of the video that you don't want. You can create quizzes. You can upload slides and sync those with a video. And for multi-camera events and presentations, you can switch cameras directly from within the editor. Finally, Panopto integrates with your existing technology, your LMS, CMS, CRM, web portals, and more, so that you can get all the benefits of video within the tools and services that you already use. To see a personalized demo or request a free trial of Panopto, visit us at panopto.com.
So that's a nice overview of some of the things that Panopto can do. I think I went too far. Okay, one of the things that they did not mention in the video is Panopto is ADA compliant, and that means that anyone can manipulate the controls and use Panopto. And it also has auto-generated captions for all the videos that are uploaded to Panopto. So we'll be able to provide that ADA accommodation for everyone in every video. It also has analytics that help you track how many times a video has been viewed, the average completion rate, and more. And I think faculty are really going to like this feature. You can look and see which students have watched it, if they watched the whole thing, and lots of other things. So I think this feature that's going to get used a lot. It also provides a method for students to create videos from within an assignment using the Panopto tool. And as they showed in the video, you can also integrate quizzes into the videos and set it so that students have to answer the question correctly before they can watch the rest of the video. And we'll be doing some more webinars on some of these enhanced features later on. All right, so I'm going to do a little demonstration here. The instructions are here on the slide as well, but I'm going to switch over if I can. This is just one of my sandbox courses. And so to add a Panopto video, you want to make sure that your edit mode is on. And then you can place it wherever you want. You can do add an activity or resource, or just hover until you get the plus sign. Now, eventually we will have its own button for the Panopto LTI, but we're going to add that during a maintenance window time. So for now, you're going to click External Tool. And then from the drop-down menu, we're going to scroll down and select Panopto LTI. And then from there, you're going to click Select Content. It'll always ask you if you want to grade the assignment. I'm going to say do not grade and continue. Okay, perfect. So this is where if you already have a video in your library, you can link it here, or you can upload a new video. And like they showed in the video, you just drag and drop it right in here and it'll be in there. Or you can choose to record a brand new video, and there's tons of options for recording. You can show your screen, you can add slides, whatever you'd like to do. It's really versatile. I'm going to see if I can choose one that I already have. I don't think it's going to let me. So let me upload one real quick. That didn't add it, that just played it. Let me try this again. I went out of my class folder, that's the problem. Okay. So when you add the LTI into your course, it will automatically create a folder for you with the name of that course. And so that will help you to keep all of your videos organized. And you can also copy them and add them into other folders for other courses. You can move them around. So once they're in there, they're yours to manipulate. So it's going to be processing for a few minutes, but I'm going to go ahead and click Insert. And you can see it brings over the name of the file. And of course, you can change that if you would like to, but I think that's pretty handy. You'll have the usual tools for setting this up. I'm going to do Save and Display here. Now it's not going to play because it's still loading, but once it loads, I'll be able to play. I'll be able to turn captions on and off. I can click this little arrow down here in the lower right corner to expand the window and just have it showing in Panopto. So that's how you will right now add it into your Moodle courses. The only way to get to Panopto currently is to do it through your course. So in order to access it, you will need to go through the LTI like you're going to add a video. Eventually, we're hoping to get it synced with the single sign-on, but it's not operational currently. The other thing I want to show you, this is the ITRC webpage, and under this EdTech tools, we have a bunch of links for our applications, and Panopto is here. And if you'd like to know more about Panopto and explore on your own, you can click this resources button. And it's going to take you to our Tiger Tracks article with lots of links to it. And also, Lance created some videos here. If you need to move your video files off of Google Drive, put them into Panopto. Here's the instructions for it. And you can also, if your video on Google Drive has already been closed captioned, the second video there shows you how to download those captions and then add them to your video in Panopto. There's also a link to add an activity to your course and so on. So if you give it a try and you run into any issues or you just have questions, please reach out to us. We'll be happy to work one-on-one with you to help you add it to your course. All right, so to recap, it's a place to easily access course videos for both faculty and students. You can search for keywords within the videos, both in the transcript and in the video itself. And we've also enabled it so that students can download a transcript that doesn't have all the timestamps in it. And so if they need to use that to study, they can download that. It has interactive video quizzing, an integrated recording tool that you can use to edit and improve your videos as well. A table of contents that's already created for you, and you can edit that. That's another advanced thing that we can talk about later on, but it creates that table of contents for you, which is really helpful. And accessible content with automatic captions. I was reading on the Panopto site, and they say that their auto captioning program is greater than 90% accurate. So that's good news for us. We will have the help of disability services if we do need to make sure that those captions are accurate. They will be continuing to provide that service for us, and they'll just go right into your video in Panopto and edit those auto-generated captions. Are there any questions? Okay, I'll turn it back over to Paul.
Great, thank you, Lori. Thank you for participating in today's Wednesday webinar. If you're eager to delve deeper into this topic or explore other exciting topics that are aligned with the work we do in the ITRC, we provide various support resources and services. So as Lori showed, we have the Tiger Tracks Knowledge Base, which is a library of how-tos at your fingertips. And we also have a library of videos and recordings that are going to be similar to today's session in our ITRC video library. The ITRC supports the development of instructional materials and resources that are accessible to all. Please visit our website for more information. You're always welcome to meet with us here at the ITRC. You can reach out to us through email at itrc@isu.edu, or you can give us a call at 208-282-5880. And our front office is available for drop-ins. We're located in room B17 in the basement of the O'Bowler Library. You can also schedule an on-demand appointment with us, and that will be with a full-time ITRC staff. And those appointments can be done by Zoom, phone, or in person. The upcoming webinar entitled End of Semester Checklist is scheduled for next Wednesday, April 24th at 2 p.m. Keep an eye out for ITRC webinar announcements in ISU Today and the ISU events calendar. And since next week will be our last week that we do a webinar, you can use the Wednesday webinar schedule to register for that webinar, or you can view any of those other links and they will take you to an on-demand video that will be hosted on the ITRC video training library page. To access the links on the slide and the previous two slides, you can scan the QR code on the right side of the screen, or you can use this link to view those slides. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope to see you again soon.